In this video, I will show you how to cancel your ExpressVPN subscription before it ends. For subscriptions purchased with a credit card or PayPal, you can cancel on desktop by signing in to your ExpressVPN account and selecting subscription from the left menu. Then, click Manage Subscriptions and follow the prompts to cancel subscription. On mobile, sign in, tap the menu icon, go to subscription, and follow similar steps to cancel. For subscription made through an app store, you'll need to cancel at least 24 hours before the next billing date to avoid automatic charges. On iOS, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, go to subscriptions, and select ExpressVPN to cancel. On Android, open the Play Store, go to Payment and Subscriptions, and follow the steps to cancel. After canceling, you can still use ExpressVPN until the end of your current billing cycle. If you need assistance, contact ExpressVPN's support team.